My lords, this is a fresh matter. Notices has not yet been issued. Now, I am the defendant number one in this matter before the trial court, and the plaintiffs have filed a suit for declaration and permanent injunction. I filed my application under Order 7, Rule 11, and that has been rejected on the ground that it is a matter of evidence. My lords, I am basically before my lords on two grounds to support my application. Number one is that, my lords, this first, my lords, let me clarify the facts before my lords. I have sold my property, which is a land of 7 hectares, and I have sold it by way of 4 sale deeds, and I have also annexed those sale deeds with my civil revision. And the plaintiffs have, after they have come to know about those sale deeds, they have filed this plaint for, and the suit is for declaration and permanent injunction.
Has sold to whom you?
My lords, I am defendant number one. I am defendant number one.
Yes, Vikas.
And yes, Vikas Malviya. These plaintiffs are the wife and son of my brother, who is deceased. And
Vikas Malvi. Plaintiff is?
plaintiff 1 and 2 are the wife and son of my deceased brother.
1 and 2 are
Wife,
दावे की कॉपी किस पेज पे है?
14. Annexure P1, 14, page number 14.
Plaintiff 1 and 2 का क्या रिश्ता बताया आपने?
My lords, plaintiff 1 and 2 are the wife and the son of my deceased brother. I am defendant number 1.
Wife and son
Lordship.
of deceased brother.
Brother. Kailash Malviya was the name of my brother.
ब्रदर का नाम है कैलाश मालवी.
My lords.
आपका ब्रदर है.
My lords. Now, my lords, this property has been purchased by my father in the year 1992 in my name when I was a minor at that time.
नाम क्या है?
Brother's name is Kailash Malviya. He is dead.
इस कैलाश मालवी के नाम खरीदी थी?
No, my lords. My father has purchased these properties in my name. Defendant number 1 के
कैलाश मालवी.
Vikas Malviya. I am Vikas Malviya.
विकास मालवी. क्या आपकी एज क्या थी?
At that time, my lords, I was a minor. Right now, I am 50 years of age.
क्या एज क्या थी?
In the year 92, I must be around.
विकास मालवी.
My lords, right now I am 50.
Father Rajkumar.
My lords.
ठीक है, आपके नाम खरीदी.
My lords. So these were purchased by my father in my name. Now, my lords, I have all these lands, which are 7 hectare lands. They are all in my name in the records. That is not disputed. Sale deed that this land has been purchased in my name, that is not disputed. Now, my lords, I have sold these lands in the year 2020 and 2021.
पूरी land बेच दी आपने?
No, some of the portion out of that 7 acres, I have sold some of the portions, and that has been mentioned in para 6 of my plaint. What portions I have sold?
Sold by defendant number 1.
My lords. To defendant number 2 to 6. Now, my lords, they say in para 7 of the plaint that they came to know about the sale of these lands on 12th of September 2022. And then in para 8 of the plaint,
para
7 of the plaint, they have said that they came to know about the sale of these lands. My lord. And then, my lords, in para 8 of their plaint, they have said that the cause of action arose on 22/9/22 when they got the copies, the pratilipiyas. When they got the copies of these sale deeds, the cause of action arose on that day. Now, my lords, I am before my lords on clause A of 711, which says that there is no cause of action in this matter. Reason being, my lords, there is a cloud on the title of these plaintiffs by virtue of the sale deeds which I have done, and they have not in any way taken any of the grounds to render these sale deeds as null and void. They have not claimed any relief. Kindly see the relief clause, my lords, which is on page 16. They have only claimed the relief of declaration of title, but they have not claim the relief of rendering the sale deeds null and void.
नहीं तो मैंने आपसे इसलिए तो पूछा था कि वो सेल डीड कितने एरिया की थी?
My lords, it is from among it's on para 6. यह कि प्रतिवादी क्रमांक 1 ने मौजा रायपुर स्थित भूमि खसरा नंबर 684 रकबा 0.405 हेक्टेयर में से 0.045 हेक्टेयर भूमि दिनांक 31/7/20 को प्रतिवादी क्रमांक 2 को
पूछ रहा था कि ये जो आउट ऑफ 7 एक हेक्टेयर हेक्टेयर बोला था, हेक्टेयर एकड़ बोला था,
एकड़ मिलॉर्ड,
आउट ऑफ 7 एकड़ हाउ मच यू हैव सोल्ड अबाउट, अंदाज से पूछ रहा हूँ।
मिलॉर्ड्स वर्थ आई हैव एनेक्स्ड माय
अभी पूरी बेच दी,
पूरी नहीं बेची मिलॉर्ड्स,
आधी
पूरी
बेची
नहीं
है,
माय लॉर्ड्स,
आधी बेची है, तब तक तो कोई जरूरत भी नहीं है डिक्लेरेशन मांगने की, सेल डीड के बारे में रिलीफ मांगने की जरूरत ही कहाँ है?
That means they are they withdrawing that right, my lord, of theirs which is in the
अभी दे आर सेइंग कि 7 एकड़ जमीन है, पिताजी ने खरीदी भाई के नाम, आधी हमारी आधी उनकी है, बिकॉज दिस इज दी
my lords, but their cause of action is,
लेकिन अब वो कितनी बेची, आधी बेची है कि सारी बेची दी?
my lord, not entire, not the entire land worth rupees 21 lakhs they have sold, not the entire land. Out of that 4 sale deeds have been done, and for that reason also they have said that a permanent injunction may be granted that I may not sell off the entire one. Now my lords, what
देखिए, एक तो बेची उन्होंने 0.045,
my lords,
दूसरी बेची इन्होंने 0.047,
my lords, then 0.380 on 4/2/21,
मतलब सब में से 0.045 ऐसे करके बेची है
जी, around round about 4 hectare 4 acre.
हेक्टेयर में चल रहा है, एकड़ है कि हेक्टेयर? एकड़ हेक्टेयर तो
My lords, in the para 2 they have said that this land is around 6.75 acres, 6.75 acres, and out of that they have sold 0.405 hectare on 31/7/2020, 0.047 hectares on.
कहना है कि सेल डीड चैलेंज नहीं किए।
My lords, they have not challenged the sale deeds.
चैलेंज नहीं किए तो उससे तो आप तो और बेनिफिट ही होगा, नुकसान क्या?
My lords, but that is there is a cloud on their title, and until and unless they are, my lords,
they are saying that they came to know in the year 2022.
so what prevented them from challenging those sale deeds, my lords?
They are not challenging, they will not be granted relief.
My lord, this type of plaint cannot be maintainable, my lords. The reason is that, my lords,
they are not claiming any relief in respect of sale deed, तो certainly 3 साल बाद उनका जो है सेल डीड चैलेंज करने का राइट खत्म हो जाएगा।
my lords, the Supreme Court has said that when there is a cloud on the title, then relief of declaration has to be sought.
22 से लेकर 25 गुजर तो जान दो उनका, भाई अभी 22 में जानकारी हो गई, they are not challenging the sale deeds, तो let them take risk. Why you are worried? You should wait at least up to 25.
My lords, because
जो है दावे में कहना चाहिए अब तो रिलीफ ही नहीं मिल सकती।
my lords, may kindly see para 8 देख लीजिए my lords,
पैरा 8
of the plaint.
हाँ, देखा
यह
ना?
कि खसरे की प्रतिलिपि प्राप्त होने के उपरांत वादीगण ने विक्रय पत्रों की प्रतिलिपियां निकलवाई जो दिनांक सो एंड सो को वादीगण को प्राप्त हुई. Now, my lords,
की जानकारी हो गई।
my lords, that means cause of action arose on that day. My lords, then should the cause of action not to be mentioned in the relief? On what basis are they?
सही, आपकी बात सही है,
My lords,
you are right, लेकिन 7/11 के पर्पज से मेरा कहना ये है कि 22 की नॉलेज बताई, फिर भी ये सेल डीड चैलेंज नहीं कर रहे।
yes,
अब ये 25 तक चैलेंज नहीं करते हैं तो कौन सा सेक्शन 59 के हिसाब से 3 साल गुजर जाएंगे, तो आप सेल डीड के बारे में बिल्कुल सेफ हो जाएगा आपकी सेल डीड। ये बात सही है ना? मैं
that is, my lords are absolutely right, but my lords, how then when the cause of action has not been challenged in the relief itself, can it be maintainable, my lords, on this age?
land is still available na, because the land area was 7 acre and the land is still available in the hands of Vimal, क्या नाम था वो,
these two people who are the plaintiffs, they, and also in my
3 साल गुजरने दी, अभी उनको चिंता, अभी मान लो इसके अंदर आज जो है उनकी जानकारी में आ जाएगा आपका क्या कहना है, तो they will seek relief and they can seek relief up to 2025 in respect of the sale deed.
my lords, but how can they should
They
amend?
cannot be granted relief if the relief is barred by time. They cannot be granted relief. और अभी 22 में वो जानकारी बता रहे हैं, तो that cannot be seen until unless evidence is led by the party.
My lords, I'm relying on para 14 of this judgment.
तो आपका यही
Another one more ground is there, my lords. My lords,
अनाथ वाला तो कई बार पढ़ दिया आपने।
my lords.
हाँ,
So, my lords, on that basis, I'm saying when there is no mention of the cause of action, that cause of action should be in direct proportion to the relief, or the relief may be should be in direct proportion to the cause of action.
एक्शन मेंशन तो किया है, लेकिन बस यही है आपका सबसे बड़ी बात ये है कि डिस्पाइट नॉलेज ऑफ द सेल डीड दे आर नॉट सीकिंग डिक्लेरेशन, कैंसिलेशन और फॉर डिक्लेयरिंग द सेल डीड नल एंड वॉइड।
On that basis also, my lords, if they are not doing that, what they are trying to do is to cleverly escape out from the valuation and the court fees.
They are taking risk of dismissal of their suit by the time. They are taking risk. Let them take risk. ऐसी चीजों को तो बताना भी नहीं चाहिए समय रहते। जब तक अपने हिसाब से 3-4 साल ना निकल जाए बिल्कुल मत बताओ, गलती करने दो उसको।
My lord, second point. Right now, my
बेनामी
lord.
बेनामी
My lords. Second
बेनामी का
point.
तो ये जजमेंट देखिए मैडम,
My lord, I was listening when my lords was
नहीं मैं वो ठीक है,
2019 का जो judgment है, my lords.
ये मेरी जानकारी में आप ही लोगों ने किसी से
My lords, that is on section 4 clause 3.
इसके उनका कहना ये है कि दिस बिलीव वेदर इट इज barred by time or not, it is a question which is to be considered after evidence। देखो ना एक मिनट,
My lord, I just now I took it out, my lord.
भूला लगी उन्होंने एक लाइन लिख दी है कि ये जो प्ली है
My lord.
इट इज टू बी कंसीडर्ड आफ्टर एविडेंस।
I saw that judgment. I took it out in
इसके पहले हम वो जस्टिस त्रिवेदी साहब का एक फैसला था उस
जी।
पर उस पर हम रिलाई किया करते
My lord,
थे
मैं भी
और उसको
टाइम ग्वालियर बेंच का है 2000
वो
का है।
उसमें त्रिवेदी साहब का जरूर रिलाई किया होगा।
आप प्लीज एक मिनट उसको देख लीजिए my lords. My lords, may kindly see from para 14 onwards.
हाँ 12 का 3।
Now, my lords, this judgment which my lords are referring in Supreme Court judgment is on section 4 clause 3. Kindly read, my lords, from para 14 onwards, my lords. Para 14 onwards, my lords. In the case of Anand Kumar, so and so, the bar is to file a suit or to make a claim and note that a particular transaction is benami or not. If a suit is filed after coming into force of the act claiming any right, title or interest on the basis of any benami transaction, whether it was done prior to coming into force of the act or after coming into force of the act, would be barred under subsection 1 of section 4. The learned counsel for the respondent argued since the property was purchased by Karta, Vasanti Lal, and property was held by co-partner, therefore suit is maintainable. However, the above argument is not acceptable because the present suit is filed in the year 2017 after the amendment in the act deleting subsection 3 of section 4 of the act, which had provided that nothing in this section shall apply whether person is in whose name the property is held is a co-partner in a Hindu undivided family and the property is held for the benefit of the co-partners in the family. Since the above provision has been deleted before filing of this suit, therefore, in view of provisions of section 4(1) of the Benami Transaction Prohibition Act, the present civil suit is found to be barred by law. Consequently, present petition as well as application by the petitioner under Order 7, Rule 11 CPC are allowed, and the present civil suit is hereby dismissed. Now, my lords, later on.
ये प्रॉब्लम ये जा रही है, इसके ये जो आप रीना जैन वाले के फैक्ट्स देखिए आप।
My lord.
इसके फैक्ट्स बिल्कुल ही अलग है। हर जगह वर्ड जो है जहां जहां सेल किया गया कुछ किया गया, इवन जो बिल के अंदर भी बात कही गई थी, ये सारी की सारी बातें जो है बेनामी ट्रांजैक्शन से सीधे सीधे जो है गवर्न हो रही थी। यहाँ जो दावा लेकर जो आया है वो ये लेकर आया है कि ये जो प्रॉपर्टी थी ये ज्वाइंट हिंदू फैमिली की आय से क्रय की गई थी और पिताजी ने अपने बच्चे के नाम से क्रय की गई थी।
My lords, what I am humbly submitting before my lords is that since my case is covered by this judgment of the coordinate bench of this honorable court.
This revision was drafted by me.
Okay. That is good, my lord. Then my lords have won in this revision, my lords.
नहीं आप देख लीजिए who filed this revision, उसमें नाम लिखा आएगा।
I have read, my lords. I have read.
This revision was drafted by me.
My lords have won this revision for on. My lords, my humble submission before my lords is that let notices be issued in this. Let the other side be heard, my lords, and then it may be because it's a debatable matter, my lords. My lords, another thing is that this order has not been turned down by the Honorable Supreme Court, Lordship. My lord, the review was also filed later on. That review was also dismissed, my lords. They filed a review also, my lords, challenging this judgment.
इसके फैक्ट्स ही बिल्कुल अलग है। इसके फैक्ट्स देख लीजिए।
My lord, there was a will also.
इसके अंदर क्या है कि पिता अपने पुत्र के नाम माइनॉरिटी में खरीद रहा है और यहाँ वो क्या कह रहा है, यह कि भारतीय भूमि फूलचंद बल भट्टूलाल मालवी द्वारा उनकी अन्य कृषि भूमियों की आय से अर्जित की थी, जिसने प्रतिवादी क्रमांक 1 के पति तथा प्रतिवादी क्रमांक 1 का बराबर का हिस्सा रहा है। स्वर्गीय फूलचंद ने स्नेहवश प्रतिवादी क्रमांक 1 के नाम पर भारतीय भूमि क्रय की थी। पिताजी अपने बच्चों के नाम खरीद लेते हैं।
ये भी तो वही है, माय लॉर्ड्स, इसमें भी यही किया है।
इस केस में,
हमारे वाले केस में
नहीं, मैं इस केस की बात कर रहा हूँ।
सेम फैक्ट्स है, माय लॉर्ड्स।
इस केस में ऐसे फैक्ट्स नहीं है।
My lords, then land was purchased by the father in the name of the defendant. In that also it is.
यहाँ देखिए ना, ये माइनॉरिटी में खरीद रहा है। वो माइनॉरिटी में खरीदने के बाद जो है
at that time I was also a minor.
उन्होंने अपने संयुक्त कब्जा भी चला आ रहा है, कब्जे की बात भी कही है।
नहीं, हमारे पास भी कब्जा है सर।
क्या?
हमारे पास भी हम कब्जे में हैं, my lords. I am in possession.
नहीं, but he is also in this case, मैं इसी दावे आप ही के केस की बात कर रहा हूँ.
जी,
In
जी,
this case also, she or he is claiming themselves to be in possession
My
of.
lords, exact facts, my lords. That is what I am humbly submitting. Notices may be issued. Let the other side be heard, lordship, and then lordship may pass order, because this judgment of my lords have not been overturned by the Supreme Court.
केवल नोटिस जारी कर दी. नोटिस.
Obliged.
वो वाली कॉपी दे दीजिए और पढ़ लेंगे. सुनो, वो वाली जो मैडम ये वाली.
I am obliged, lordship.
Number 131.